Employee engagement drives results. Gallup reports companies with highly engaged teams see 23% higher profitability. Yet many organizations still struggle with complex systems, hybrid work challenges, and scattered tools that slow people down. Eric Woodard, CEO at Protek, puts it simply: your systems should do more than work. They should help your employees thrive every day. Thriving starts with a clear plan. Automate onboarding so new hires spend less time on forms and more on learning the role and culture. Use better collaboration tools to keep teams connected in real time, wherever they work. Integrated self-service systems help employees solve issues fast without waiting on hold. These steps cut friction, improve satisfaction, and help people stay longer. Real examples show the impact. Automated onboarding speeds ramp up. AI-powered support desks handle routine questions and free up IT teams for complex tasks. Data-driven insights help managers fix issues before they grow. When you align tools to employee needs instead of IT checklists, tech becomes a driver of productivity and morale. Measure success by tracking satisfaction scores, ticket times, and retention rates before and after rolling out new tools. Low adoption often points to unclear rollouts or tools teams didn't need. Keep improving based on real feedback. To see how to turn everyday tools into engines of growth, read the full article on our website. And don't forget to add this to your playlist.